All right, before we even get into this confrontation, here's the key thing to remember. Filming in publicly accessible areas of government buildings is generally protected under the First Amendment, as long as you're not interfering with operations or entering restricted areas. But as we're about to see, not everyone working in public offices is comfortable with cameras, and that's where these audits tend to get interesting. Watch how quickly a simple interaction turns into a power struggle.
You're trying to exert authority that you don't have over me. You're a security guard, okay? We all have our roles here.
If you're being disruptive...
All due respect, sir, you are the one that's being disruptive.
You can't record up here. If you want to record, I'm going to ask you to step out.
Are you law enforcement or
I'm
security?
commissioned by the sheriff's office, yes.
But you're security.
Yeah.
This is a public office funded by taxpayers.
Are you recording me?
Oh, I'm an independent journalist. I record everything. Yeah, but I just wanted to know what was going on here.
You look kind of lost, so I'm just...
I look lost? Yeah. No.
What's your name?
I didn't give it, sir.
Don't go past this area.
Oh, yeah. No problem. No mean to encroach on your personal space.
Notice something important here. The conversation immediately shifts from curiosity to authority claims. Security staff often believe they can restrict filming simply because it makes people uncomfortable. But legally speaking, discomfort isn't the same thing as a law. The real question is always this. Is the person filming in a publicly accessible area, and are they actually disrupting anything?
So we just went through the metal detector. Let's take a look around. So at left, we have probation and mental health and veterans court. Hi, this is all on one probation, veterans, court, everything. No, I'm just taking a look around. Thanks.
Can I help you?
No. Who are you?
I work here. My name is Oswaldo.
I'm sorry?
Oswaldo.
Oswaldo?
Yeah.
No, I don't need your help. I appreciate that, though.
Okay.
Thank you.
You look kind of lost, so I'm just...
I look lost?
Yeah.
No. This woman here told me exactly where I was, so it's okay. And I can read on the front door, so. So Oswaldo here is a good example of our tax dollars hard at work, just hanging out, I guess. Not doing much.
What's your name?
Oh, I didn't give it, sir. I didn't give it, sir.
You were not given a name?
I didn't give it, no.
Oh.
Thank
You're
you.
asking people.
Well, you're the public servant here, right? Yeah, that's why. Staff only beyond this point.
You can't go there, sir. Sir?
Again, I don't know what it about the signs. You think I can't read or something? Like I can read. You can read. It's fine. Staff only. He said call security to handle this guy. Quick question for you, ma'am. So like the veterans court and the mental health court, is that something that the judge has to approve, or is that something that's what's the qualifying factors for that? Or the district attorney? Or...
It's something that the defendants would discuss with their attorneys.
But who approves it? Do you know? Like who?
I'm not a part of that program. I'm only a part of probation.
Oh, you're only part of probation. Okay, thank you.
Those are restricted areas. Can I help you with anything?
No, ma'am. I'm just taking a look around. I'm not going into the restricted area.
Yeah, it's just restricted, so if you cannot point the camera in there either, we have a lot of sensitive stuff back there, like...
You have sensitive things that
personal information files and stuff back there. That's why
that you could see from the window?
No, but I still just would...
Because that would be pretty careless if that was the case.
Right, but that's why it's a secure area.
Right, that's why I'm not going to go into it, right?
Yeah, if
right.
you could just not point the camera in there, I don't think that that's probably a great idea, just because that's a restricted area.
Right, but I'm not going to go in there. That's not a problem. We have some cards over here. Real restricted. I got a whole bunch of information from pointing my camera right here. Confidential, private information. Right. These people will say absolutely anything. They hate cameras.
Now here's where things get interesting. You'll often hear the argument about confidential information when cameras show up in government offices. And while protecting private records is important, the responsibility to secure those documents actually falls on the agency, not on members of the public who are standing in an area they're legally allowed to be in. So the real issue becomes, is the camera the problem or the office setup itself?
You can't record up here.
Who are you, sir?
Are you recording?
Who are you, sir?
I'm a security.
Security?
for this building, yes.
Okay.
Yep.
And,
So if you want to record, I'm going to ask you to step out.
oh, I can record, sir. There's nothing illegal about recording. Are you law enforcement? Let me just be clear. Are you law enforcement or
I'm
security?
commissioned by the sheriff's office, yes.
But you're security.
Yeah, and it's disrupting what people are doing up here.
Did it look like I was disrupting
I just got a
anything?
phone call. and they,
When you walked in, did it look like I was disrupting anything or looking at paperwork?
Okay. You can't go around taking photographs and videos of people's offices and stuff, all right?
This is a public office funded by taxpayers. What was your name?
Rogers is my last name.
Rogers?
Yes.
Security Officer Rogers.
Yes.
Okay. Well, again, I don't see any signage that says there's no recording. There's no law that says I can't record. This is a public building.
This is an office for probation. Do you have
Right.
business up here?
Well, yeah, my business is the recording and asking questions as I've done and looking at different documents as I've done, as I was doing when you came in.
Okay. There's some confidentiality stuff too.
Well, I would hate for them to leave confidential documents out in the public where anybody could see it. That would not be smart on their part. But I doubt they would. I don't think they're that incompetent that they would just leave people's social security numbers hanging out where anybody could see them, right? I'm sure they're secured in a file or a computer or something. I'm not, but that's not my intention anyway. My intention is not to get anybody's personal information. That's not.
So what is your intention?
Like I said, I'm here recording and asking questions.